everyone, Marlene here with Buffalo Check Chicks. So this is that fall floral arrangement that I found over at the Goodwill, and it was only $7.49, and I thought that was a steal of a deal. Look at all the goodies in that basket. There is no way that I can even attempt to make that for $7.49. Now it has a few bare spots and it's a little on the dusty side. It needs some arranging done to it, but that's okay because I'm going to work on it and fix it up, and it's going to be beautiful. So I pulled everything out. I could not believe everything that was in that basket. My goodness. But you know, I'm not a minimalist, and I love my floral arrangements nice and full. So this is going to work out great. I love the shades in this basket. So pretty. And the Spanish moss. So it's a good start. So I decided to give everything a little rinse. I just rinsed everything off in my sink and set it on top of a towel. So now I'm going to start building it, and I'm going to put all the same things back in it, starting off with these two tall, wispy pieces. So I'm going to put them right in the center of the basket, one on either side of the handle. Now I'm going to anchor all four corners with some of the larger gourds and pumpkins. Now I'm not a floral designer by any means. I only do what looks pretty to my eye. And I think this is a good start. So next, all I did was add all the leaves and tried to fill in any bare spaces. There were so many leaves in there, so I just put them on the corners, let some cascade over the edges, and filled in the center. So this is what I have left over: a few gourds, a pumpkin, and another little floral. I'm going to add these bright yellow flowers that I bought over at the Dollar Tree. Same thing with these pink flowers. And I love the pink because it matches the color in those leaves. And then I had these branches already, and I want to add some of those because I love the wispy effect that it gives. So let's go ahead and get those in. So I cut them into individual flowers and just placed them around, all around the basket. Added my tall, wispy branches, and that's what it looks like. And I'm really, really liking this. This is what I have left over. And by George, by golly, I'm going to add every single one. And I did. So I added those gourds and the other little pumpkin, and even that floral that was left. And look at it. I think it's amazing. So $7.49, some branches I already had. Ta-da! Beautiful. So I really want to thank all of you for joining us today for our fall series. And this is just the beginning because there is going to be a lot more to come. Lots of tablescapes, lots of arrangements, crafts. So we invite you to subscribe to our channel and become part of our YouTube family. And those of you that already are, thank you for your support. We love you guys. So I really like the way this turned out, and I know exactly where it's going to go. See you soon. Love you guys.